Well, welcome again to this class. Now let's create a button. Okay, this is the main objective of this class today. So let me open the activity main, but let use the code here. Okay, remember at the end you can type, for example, here button, and you will see different button options. Okay, we have button, we have image button, radio button, toggle button, blah blah blah. Okay, but like I said before, at the beginning when we are creating our first projects, I think the easy way to do that, okay, is using the design elements. Okay, so in the palette you can select the most common elements, and the second one is a button, or in the same palette you select buttons and the first one is a button. And like I said before, we have more kind of buttons. Okay, well, let's select button, and let's select the button here, and let's drop, okay, this one. If you see, we have an error in the component tree, and it's the same error in the past. Okay, we need to define the constraints. Actually, if you put the mouse here, you will see the message. Okay, missing constraints in constraint layouts. Okay, I know it. So now we are smart and we can define the constraints. Okay, let's do this, and now let's define the constraints. Okay, now we have a button with constraints, but let me move this button to here. Okay, well, we have the button and everything is fine, but I will change the text. You can change here in the properties, remember, all attributes. Well, I get access to declared attributes. Well, we have different, let me trying to find the text. Okay, blah 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 blah, main activity, match. Well, like I said before, I am not a big fan of this way. Okay, but don't worry, let's do that. Okay, let's go here and change the button. Change text. This is the new text. Okay, let's go to design, and you will see here one that the element is here. I don't remember what where is the property, but well, it's here. Okay, and now we have the change text. Well, now the detail here is the text is a different from the beginning. Okay, since the beginning, but it's okay. You don't have to worry too much about it. But I want to mention a couple things. Okay, let's go to the code. And well, the most important thing for now is you need to understand. Okay, we have element text view, and we have another element button, but they are very similar even when they are different. Okay, let me execute this. But we are using ID here, and we are using ID here too. We are using width and height. Okay, we are using width and height. We are using constraints here for constraints, and well, we have the 4 constraints here. That's the point. At the end, this element, they are working like elements to see in the screen. Okay, a views. Actually, the definition we can say is a view. Okay, so even when the objective of the text view is to show you text, and the button is to have interaction with the user, okay, we have a very similar things between the elements. So my recommendation is trying to understand a little more the properties, okay, because probably, for example, like I said before, ID is for all the elements. Width and height, maybe we can use in a lot of elements. Text is the same, but we have elements without text. Yeah, we have elements only with element, but not text. So, well, don't worry. With more experience, when you are creating more elements, more applications, more exercise, okay, you will see more properties, and you will know more about the definitions. Okay, so don't worry for now. This is the I think a basic button for now, and we can use it in the next exercise.